To explain you some of the mathematical functions. Those are absolute, ceiling, floor and round. So first of all, the absolute function. This absolute function returns the absolute value for that particular expression which we have passed. Here in this example, if you see, select ABS of -10, 0 and absolute of 10. Then if I select this and execute, see what will happen. Like negative value will be given as a positive. Absolute value means negative values will be converted into a positive values, and if we give any zeros or null values, it has no effect, so it will give the same value. And here absolute value of 10 is the same number as it is a positive value. Here if the specified data type, whatever it is given, if it exceeds the limit of that particular data type, and then it will give as an error. See, if we select here, I have declared a variable called int, and I have selected and I have set that variable to this. This is the number, and this is the it exceeds the number data type of that particular for that particular integer data type. So it was arithmetic overflow error, converting expression to data type int error has come. So if the data type, that the value exceeds the limit of that particular data type, we will get an error message. That is the absolute function. And the ceiling function, this ceiling function, what does it do? It round off to that highest value, like a 123.67. here that if we do ceiling means it will come to the, it gives to the highest number of that particular. See the next highest number to this number 123.67. the ceiling will be 124. Means if we give a definition for this function returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to the specific expression, numeric expression. See 88.23, then the ceiling of that will be 89. So this will be the ceiling. Means it gives returns the smallest integer that is greater than whatever we have specified to this. It will give greater than the next smallest number. That means greater than that particular number. So this is how the ceiling function works. And the floor function means it gives the smallest number, like 123.45. if we do it floor, then it will give 123. like that, whatever is the smallest number, like smallest number it will give. Here the floor function does. The next one is round function. Round function, what does it do? It returns a numeric value rounded to that specific length, that is specified length that is given here. Here if we give round, number, decimals and operation. Here operation is an optional argument. So if we pass round 12.14256 to 3 decimals means 142. So here if we execute this, see it is rounded to 3 digits, that is 143 zeros here there. And then here if you see, it is round off to 1, so it is round off to the first number only, like that. See it is 150.75, it is round off to 0 means, see 151 rounded off. And the third next here I have passed an operation value. See if I execute this 2, you will be knowing, like see if round of 235.415 dots and it is rounded to 2 decimals, see we will get a 235. 4, it is a 41, it is round off to 2 decimals. But here what we have given is 1 means is other than 0, whatever number we will get, it truncates that many decimals. It truncates to the whatever the decimals which we have passed here, like 41. So until 412 decimals it will be. After that, whatever the number it is there, it truncates that number. See, it truncated and it has given 0. And if it doesn't give 1, like default value will be 0. If it doesn't specify, in this example I did not specify that 0 operation, so it did not do like it did like decimals to until round off to 2 digit, like 4415 is round off to 42. See here it is round off to like this. See, that is the, if we other than 1, other than 0 we can specify. If I give 10 also, other than 0 whatever the number we will give, it is, you will get the same value. That this is, if 0 is given, it is round off to the decimals which we have specified. If other than 0 operation is given, like any number, then it truncates that many numbers that are until the decimals what we have specified. Like 415, it truncates this and after 2 decimals it truncates the whatever the number it is, it keeps a 0. This is the round function. In this video I have explained about round, floor, ceiling and absolute function. Thank you for listening. If you liked my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you for listening.